Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about some of the question from the circuit analysis for the preparation of the TRB exam. So already I posted the 6 videos related with this subject for this TRB preparation. If you want to learn that videos means in our channel in the name of TRB Polytechnic, there is a playlist is there. In that playlist all previous year question paper is solved. Okay, just learn it. I will give link for that playlist in the description box. You can use it. So the first question you see, the condition that the two-port network is reciprocal can be expressed in terms of ABCD parameter. Okay, if one two-port network to be reciprocal in terms of ABCD parameter, what is the condition? Okay, so in terms of ABCD parameter, the condition is that AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, so the ABCD matrix is having A, B, C, D, 4 values. So that is the determinant of that ABCD matrix is equal to 1. That is nothing but AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay. Then the next question, if the scattering matrix of two-port network is given as this one, okay, then the network is dash. Okay, it's a lossless and reciprocal, lossless but not reciprocal, not lossless but reciprocal. Okay, so there is a condition is there in order to check the given two-port network is either lossless or reciprocal. Okay, so in terms of S matrix, if one network is a reciprocal, the condition is that the value of S12 and S21 is equal, means that network is a reciprocal. So here you see this is S11 value, this is S12, S21, S22. So you just check S12 and S21 value, this value is equal. So the given network is a reciprocal. Okay. Similarly, for one two-port network to be lossless, the condition is that modulus of S11 squared plus modulus of S12 squared is equal to 1. Okay. So here you just substitute S11, S12 value. So you see what is S11? It is 0.2. What is S12? It is a 0.9. So 0.2 the whole squared plus 0.9 the whole squared. The answer is greater than 1. Okay, so it's not equal to 1. So this condition is not satisfied. So the given network is not lossless but reciprocal. Okay, so here the option C is the correct thing, not lossless but reciprocal. So in this way, you just verify the given network is either reciprocal or lossless. Okay, these two condition you just remember. Then the next question, the two-port admittance matrix of the circuit shown in figure is dash. Okay, so this is our given two-port network. Here the three impedances are connected in pi structure. So we have to construct the admittance matrix, okay, related with this value. And the relation between the admittance matrix and YA, this pi network values are given by the admittance matrix Y equal to, this is Y11, Y12 and Y21, this is Y22. Okay, so the Y11 value is nothing but it is an addition of this YA and YC. Okay, the addition of these two admittance, it is nothing but a Y11. Similarly, Y12 and Y21 is nothing but the common admittance between the port 1 and port 2. It is nothing but YC. And Y22 is nothing but in output side. The addition of YB and YC, it is nothing but a Y22. Okay, so this is the formula. So here you just substitute the YA value, YB value and YC value. So here what is YA? Here the impedance is ZA is 10. Okay, here 10 ohms, 5 ohms, 10 ohms. This is the impedance. So the corresponding admittance is 1 divided by 10 plus YC is 1 divided by 5. Okay, then YC is 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. So the answer is 0.3, 0.2, 0.2 and 0.3. So this is the corresponding admittance matrix for the given network. Okay, this is an important 2-mark problem.